Okay, so here we are in front of this beautiful home that's on the market by my fellow Dave Perry Miller agent, Tiffany Lawson. We wanted to come and support her. I do not have a client yet, but you can be the client for this one. We are in Bluffview. Guess the price. Okay, so this one is 6 bedrooms, 6 full baths, 3 half baths. It is over 14,000 square feet on a little over an acre. This is an absolutely fabulous large family home. They are a large family. I think the layout is great. There's rooms with bunk beds. The boys are in one section, the girls are in another. They've got great guest rooms for the girls if they're having sleepovers. You'll see in the kitchen they have room for 10 seats. They've got a movie room. There's a little over 900 square foot cabana that we were not able to see, but I think that's got a 1 bedroom, 1 bath in it. This just exudes family, home, fun, entertaining. There's a wine room, which I think is fun. If you have a large family, I think this just looks like such a fun place to stay in and enjoy your family and friends at your own home. We are in the driveway. This driveway expands all the way down and all the way in the back. So if you have a large party or you invite a lot of friends over, there's plenty of parking, and this is all gated. We are in the private school corridor. That doesn't mean that your kids can't go to public, but we're right here near all of the private schools. This is a great location. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.